we are. We're going to be coming into Lynn. It's the first day in Lynn. We just got here this morning. We're driving on 1A North. We're going to be heading into Lynn right now.
Let's add a little bit of music to this video.
The fishing pier right there.
What a fitting song. Die with your boots on, going to Lynn, Massachusetts.
Yeah. Here we are. I didn't see no sign entering Lynn, did you?
There it is.
There it is right there.
This is where Orbitz used to be.
Yeah.
It's still there.
The old building 19.
Building's still there.
Yep. That's we got our first dog.
No point in asking.
This is the Lynn Way. The green tea Chinese restaurant I used to be Pearlie's.
Yep.
Alright. It's the Lynn Way liquor store.
That has been there ever.
I wonder what time they open around here.
I don't know, man, but they got that sucker. You ain't getting
There's
it.
a car wash. There's a car wash right there.
There's
Westland Creamery. Things haven't changed that much so far.
No.
Blue angle glass.
That's been there forever. It's McDonald's. I don't know if this...
That's pretty new.
The other one, I thought they had one up there.
To do a page, and from what I hear, he's being sued by a folk singer.